Once upon a time, in a big jungle, there was a lion named Leo. Leo was very strong and fierce. All the animals in the jungle were scared of him. They would run away whenever they saw him coming. In the same jungle, there was a little rat named Remy. Remy was tiny compared to Leo, but he was very kind-hearted. He loved helping others even though he was very small. One day, Leo got caught in a hunter's net. He tried hard to break free, but the net only tightened around him. Remy was nearby searching for when he heard Leo's roar for help. He quickly followed the sound and found Leo trapped in this net. Remy knew he had to do something to help his friend. Remy said, "Hey, don't worry, I will help you." Leo got amazed and said, "Oh yes, please, but you are so small. How can you help me?" With his sharp teeth, Remy began groaning at the net. He worked and worked until he made a small hole. Leo was amazed and was grateful for Remy's bravery. He realized that even though Remy was small, he had a big heart. He thanked Remy and declared him the bravest rat in the jungle. Leo said, "Thank you so much. You are the most bravest animal of the jungle." Leo also realized that size doesn't matter when it comes to friendship. A little friend can do a great help.